Who's a good boy? Sit. Who's a good boy? That's a good boy. Well, I've done another little adventure. I made roses for my mother and my sister. Look at that. Guess what I made them out of? Toilet paper. Cardboard rolls. That's pretty cool, huh? I sprayed a little scent on them. That's my short stem. And then this one, see if I can unwrap it, is the long stem, which they go down to here. It's just a stem, so I'm not going to unwrap it and mess up the paper. But you get the drift. Anywho, I'll send a link. Isn't that pretty? That really is pretty. I mean, they look real. And then I sprayed a little rose essential oil on them. That's pretty cool. You can see where the little core, toilet paper core. Yeah. If you'd like for me to show you how to make these, I think I'll be doing some yellow ones. And I'll gladly show you. All right, y'all guys have a great day. Get out there and try to do at least one thing. It helps me so much to be able to achieve and make something pretty. All right, bye-bye now.